To check your cable charging function on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find device care. Tap device care. Scroll down the screen. Under additional care section, tap diagnostic. Under phone section, tap phone diagnostic. Scroll down the screen. Tap cable charging to start the test and then connect your charger. If there's no issue during the test, your phone will inform you that the cable charging function on your phone is normal. Here, you can also see what kind of charging speed you are currently using. As you can see in the screen, the current charging speed is set to super fast or super fast charging. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.